Another catalyst we are going to discuss, that is palladium. So in fact that palladium is deposited over the over another support like calcium carbonate, BaSO4, or you can use carbon, and then you use it. Now I have given here few examples. You watch these first three examples very carefully. Here I am using acid chloride. So when acid chloride is treated with H2 in presence of palladium supported or BaSO4, these, what happens? Only it replaces Cl with H. You can see here H is coming, and this reaction is called Rosenmund synthesis. Rosenmund synthesis. So what happened here in Rosenmund synthesis? Here acid chloride is converted to the aldehyde. Acid chloride is converted to the aldehyde. So whenever you see this combination hydrogen and palladium supported over BaSO4, you must remember that this is a Rosenmund synthesis, and if acid chloride is given, simply you have to remove Cl and join hydrogen. So this is called Rosenmund synthesis. Now here another example I have taken. Usually H2 is added on olefinic double bond, but in presence of palladium, BaSO4 or Rosenmund synthesis, this acid chloride portion is there, even olefinic double bond. So this olefinic double bond remains intact. So there is no reaction on olefinic double bond. Only acid chloride is selected for the reduction, where Cl is replaced with hydrogen and we get aldehyde. So you remember, in presence of palladium supported over carbon, this is a very important reaction where olefinic double bond is selected over polar aldehydic or carbonyl group. So that carbonyl group remains there as it is. Only aliphatic, means carbon-carbon double bond, is selected for the reduction. So hydrogen is added here and here. That's why that double bond is gone, because two hydrogens are added here. So olefinic double bond is selected here, but here this bond is acid chloride portion is selected if you are using palladium supported over BeSO4. Now if palladium is supported over calcium carbonate in presence of lead acetate or quinoline, this combination is called Lindlar's catalyst. So this Lindlar catalyst is used for the reduction of carbon-carbon triple bond. Now see, this carbon-carbon triple bond is there, and if you see palladium is supported over calcium carbonate in presence of lead acetate or quinoline, you remember this is Lindlar catalyst, and reduction is going to takes place here at carbon-carbon triple bond. So one hydrogen is added here, one hydrogen is added here, but this is not further reduced to carbon-carbon single bond. So the reaction you can stop here at alkene stage. So alkyne is converted to the alkene, where both hydrogens are added from same side. So again this cis addition. This is called cis addition, or you can say this is sene addition. So by using Lindlar catalyst, alkyne is converted to the alkene. Usually what happens, that alkene is further reduced to alkane, but you can stop that reaction here by adding poison. So this is cis alkene, and you remember only this is sene type of addition. So both hydrogens are added from same side. Now I have taken, if you consider all these four reactions, depending on these four reactions you can solve any problems related to Rosenmund reduction or Lindlar catalyst. Now I have taken here first example. You can easily see this acid chloride group is there in presence of PdBaSO4. So this is Rosenmund synthesis, and in Rosenmund synthesis you have to target only acid chloride portion. So I will keep remaining portion as it is, and the answer is this aldehyde. So this is converted to aldehyde. Now if you see triple bond is there, and you are using H2PD supported over calcium carbonate in presence of quinoline, or you can use lead acetate. So this is half reduction. So this alkyne is converted to the alkene. Simply you have to remove one triple bond and join just one hydrogen here and one hydrogen here. And again, as I mentioned here, this is sene addition. So you have to add both hydrogen from same side. and because of that we get cis isomer, and keep all substituent as it is. So this substituent will be there, and on another side there is this substituent 7 times and COOH. So this substituent is there, but you get here cis isomer. So when you are using Lindlar catalyst, you will get cis isomer and not trans. And even you have to stop that reaction at alkene stage. You cannot go beyond that if you are using Lindlar catalyst. So in this way you can convert alkyne into alkene, and that will be cis alkene. So thank you.